Journalistic investigation. Samsung is secretly developing a device for transmitting smells through video, a revolution that will change everything. Seoul, 2025. The world is on the verge of a digital sensory revolution. Tech giants have been promising immersion in content for years. Virtual reality, surround sound, 8K images, all of this seem to be the limit. But according to information leaked by insiders, Samsung is preparing something truly unprecedented. We are talking about technology capable of transmitting smells through the screens of smartphones, TVs, tablets, and even VR headsets. Our publication has gained access to internal documents and testimony from a former employee of Samsung's Advanced Development Department, which shed light on a project that was kept under wraps, Project N.O.S.E, Neuro-Olfactory Scent Emulator. This is a new generation hardware and software platform designed to synthesize and reproduce scents synchronized with digital content. What is Project N.O.S.E? Essentially, it is a module built into the body of a device, smartphone, TV, or tablet, consisting of arrays of microcapsules with basic aromatic compounds, 64 to 128 varieties, similar to the RGB palette, but for scents. Micropumps and capillary channels that evaporate the desired mixture into the air. An AI algorithm that decodes video metadata and selects the desired aromatic composition. In this way, video content is enriched with a new dimension: smell. Watch a romantic movie. Smell the heroine's perfume. Turn on the news. Smell smoke, cement, or even blood in the air. This is no longer science fiction. Possible uses, from entertainment to medicine. According to a source who has been working at Samsung since 2021, the company is considering at least 15 areas of application for the new technology. Video content and streaming, YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, videos with a scent of presence, cooking shows and recipes, cooking demonstrations with the smell of food, online shopping. Users will be able to smell perfumes, coffee, books, and even clothes. Video games, olfactory immersion in the gaming world, meditation and yoga apps, the smell of lavender, pine needles, the sea, VR and metaverses as part of a fully immersive experience. Education, for example, demonstrating the smells of plants, chemicals, and even historical eras through reconstruction. Online meetings and dates, transmitting scent from the other person, medicine and psychotherapy, aromatherapy, and smell training after COVID-19. Advertising, scent samples delivered directly to the customer's home. Samsung has already filed several patents related to digital aromatization, including one titled Dynamic Olfactory Emission, based on scene analysis, tests, demos, and investor reactions. It is known that the first working prototypes were shown to VIP investors at a closed event in Dubai in February 2025. Videos shot specifically for the technology were demonstrated, including a breakfast scene with the real smells of coffee, orange juice, and toast, a walk in the woods, the scent of pine needles, moss, and damp earth, a short perfume commercial with 3 switchable scents. The reaction was enthusiastic, but with some concerns. Some participants complained of headaches and irritation, which immediately prompted engineers to develop aroma filters and personalized settings. Problems and ethical concerns. According to leaked documents, Samsung has already created a department for the ethical use of scents. The main risks are allergies and individual sensitivity. Not all users can tolerate certain scents. Mind manipulation. Advertisers can use scents to create false associations. Child safety. The issue of controlling the intensity and content of scents in children's content. Psychological impact. Scents can trigger memories, emotions, and even anxiety attacks. Legal aspects should also be considered. Will the transmission of scents be regulated as a chemical impact? Are licenses and certifications required in different countries? When will it hit the market? Officially, not a word. However, according to our data, the first consumer devices with scent transmission technology are planned to go on sale by the end of 2026, starting in South Korea, Singapore, and the US. A prototype may be presented at CES 2026 in Las Vegas and in December of the same year at Galaxy Unpacked. Samsung is already in talks with Netflix, Disney+, TikTok, and even Amazon about creating special aromatic versions of content. What are the competitors up to? We know that Apple registered a patent for an olfactory display system, a patented method for creating virtual scents in AirPods in 2024. Sony is collaborating with Japanese startup AromaBit. Meta plans to incorporate replaceable scent cartridges into its Quest VR headsets. But Samsung appears to be pulling ahead and is already testing aromatic social N.